Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice, the place where you learn English step by step, slowly, clearly, and with confidence. My name is Amma, and I'm really happy you are spending your time with us today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jack, and I'm excited to be here with you again. Whether you were listening while walking, cooking, or relaxing, we are happy you chose to learn English with us.
That's right, Jack. Learning English does not need to be stressful. It can be calm, simple, and enjoyable, just like a friendly conversation.
Exactly. And today, we have a very important and useful topic for you. It is something you use every day when you speak English.
Yes, today we are going to talk about the past. We will learn how to talk about things that already happened.
But before we begin, we have a small request for you.
If you enjoy this podcast and feel that it helps you, please take one moment to support us.
You can like this episode, subscribe to Daily English Speaking Practice, and share it with someone who's learning English like you.
Your support helps us continue making easy and helpful English content for you.
Thank you so much. Now, let's begin.
Jack, when we talk to our friends or family, what do we usually talk about?
We talk about our day, our work, our feelings, and our experiences.
Exactly, and many of those things already happened.
That means we are talking about the past.
Yes, talking about the past helps us share our life stories. It helps us connect with people.
Some learners feel nervous about past tense,
That's true, but today we will keep everything very simple. When we talk about the past, we often use time words.
like yesterday, last night, last week, or last year.
These words tell us when something happened.
For example, yesterday I was tired.
Perfect sentence, Jack.
Thank you. Was is the past form of am.
Yes, I am becomes I was. Jack, tell me, what did you do yesterday?
Let me think. Yesterday was quite a busy day for me.
That's okay, take your time.
In the morning, I woke up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
That is very early.
Yes, it is. After I woke up, I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and toast, and I drank a cup of coffee.
Great examples. Woke up, made, ate, drank. Many past verbs are easy.
Yes, for many words, we just add ed. For example, walk, walked.
Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched.
So I can say, I walked in the park.
Exactly right. What did you do after breakfast, Jack?
After breakfast, I went outside.
Where did you go?
I went to the park near my house.
How was the weather?
The weather was nice. It was sunny and warm.
That sounds lovely.
I walked in the park for about 1 hour.
Did you see anything interesting?
Yes, I saw flowers, birds, and some small dogs.
Dogs always make people smile. Jack, you said went, not goed.
Yes, because go is a special verb.
Correct. Some verbs do not follow the ed rule.
Go, went, eat, ate, drink, drank.
These are called irregular verbs.
They need practice, but don't worry. Amma, what about you? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was a quiet day for me.
Did you go out?
No, I stayed at home.
Was it relaxing?
Yes, very relaxing. I watched a movie and listened to music.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. In the evening, I cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice and vegetables.
Notice how we ask questions about the past.
Yes, we use did.
For example, did you go to the park? Did you cook dinner?
And the verb stays in its base form. Jack, how did you feel yesterday?
I felt tired but happy.
That's a great sentence.
Thank you. Learning English makes me feel confident.
That makes me very happy to hear.
Amma, talking about yesterday is easy.
Yes, but we can also talk about a long time ago.
You mean childhood?
Exactly. Childhood memories are very special.
When I was a child, my life was very simple.
Tell us more, Jack. Jack, you said your life was simple when you were a child. I think many people feel the same way.
Yes, Amma. When I was a child, I did not worry about many things.
That sounds nice. Where did you live when you were a child?
I lived in a small town, not very far from nature.
Was it a quiet place?
Yes, it was very quiet and peaceful. There were trees, open fields, and friendly neighbors.
That sounds like a lovely place to grow up.
It really was. I lived in a small house with my family.
Jack, did you often play outside?
Yes, I played outside every day.
You can also say, I used to play outside every day.
Oh, yes, that's a good structure.
Used to helps us talk about habits in the past.
So I can say, I used to wake up early and play with my friends.
Perfect.
After school, I used to play football with my friends.
Where did you play?
We played in an empty field near our houses.
Did you have a football?
Yes, but it was very old.
That didn't matter, right?
No, not at all. We were happy just to play.
That's a beautiful memory. Jack, what about you? Where did you live when you were a child?
I lived in a big city. Oh, that's very different.
Yes, it was busy and noisy.
Did you play outside too?
Not much. I lived in an apartment.
So where did you play?
I used to play at home with my toys.
Did you have a favorite toy?
Yes, I did.
What was it?
It was a small doll.
What was her name?
Her name was Lily.
That's a sweet name.
My grandmother made clothes for her.
That must have been special.
Yes, I loved that doll very much. Jack, what was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy was a toy car.
What color was it?
It was blue.
Did you play with it every day?
Yes, I did.
You see, listeners, how easy these questions are?
Amma, did you like school when you were a child?
Yes, I liked school.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was English.
That makes sense now.
What about you, Jack?
I liked sports more than studying.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Let's remind our listeners about something important.
Yes, was and were.
I was happy. He was late.
We were friends. They were tired.
These words help us describe the past.
When I was a child, my family was very close.
Did you spend time together?
Yes, we used to eat dinner together every night.
That's a great habit.
My mother cooked and my father told stories.
Stories are a wonderful way to learn language. What did you do on weekends when you were young?
On weekends, I visited my grandparents.
Did you like going there?
Yes, I loved it.
Why?
Because my grandmother cooked delicious food.
Food memories are always strong. Jack, did you watch TV a lot as a child?
No, I didn't watch much TV.
Good example. I didn't watch TV.
We didn't have many channels.
Life was simpler then.
Today, children use phones and computers a lot.
Yes, but in the past, things were different. We played outside more. We talked to people face to face.
Both times have good and bad things.
Let's talk about vacations now.
I like that topic.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
Last year, I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
How was the beach?
It was beautiful.
What did you do there?
We swam, walked on the sand, and relaxed.
Did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos. Amma, where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to a big city.
What did you do there?
I visited museums and cafes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. Let's give our listeners a small tip.
Good idea.
To practice past tense, write about your day.
Or talk to yourself in the mirror.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Jack, we talked about yesterday, childhood, and vacations.
Yes, we covered many examples.
Alma, we talked about many things in the past tense.
Yes, Amma, we talked about yesterday, childhood, school, family, and vacations.
And all of these topics are part of real life.
That's why learning past tense is so important.
Because when you talk about your life, you talk about the past.
Amma, let me ask you something.
Sure, Jack.
What did you do last week?
Last week was busy for me.
Why was it busy?
I worked a lot, cleaned my house, and helped my family.
Did you have time to relax?
Yes, I did. On Sunday, I rested and listened to music.
That's a nice balance.
Amma, not every day in the past is perfect.
That's true.
Sometimes we talk about problems, too.
For example,
Yesterday, I was tired.
last week I was stressed.
And that's okay.
Talking about problems helps us feel better.
Let's practice negative sentences again.
Good idea.
Yesterday, I didn't go outside.
Last night I didn't sleep well.
Last year, I didn't travel much.
Simple sentences, but very useful.
Many learners worry about making mistakes.
Yes, but mistakes are part of learning.
If you say, yesterday I eat rice, people will still understand you.
But slowly, with practice, you will say, yesterday I ate rice.
Learning is a journey.
Amma, how did you feel when you started learning English?
I felt nervous.
That's normal.
Yes, but I didn't stop.
And now you speak confidently.
Because I practiced every day. Dear listeners, we want to tell you something important.
You don't need perfect English.
You need brave English.
Speak even if you are not sure.
Practice even if you feel shy.
Every sentence makes you better.
Here is a simple daily practice.
Every night, ask yourself one question.
What did I do today?
Answer with 3 simple sentences.
For example, today I worked, I ate dinner, I watched a video.
That's enough.
Let's practice with questions.
Listeners, answer in your mind or speak out loud.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you eat last night?
Where did you go last weekend?
Did you enjoy it? Amma, stories connect people.
Yes, when we share stories, we feel closer.
And past tense helps us tell stories.
Even simple stories are powerful.
Let's quickly review.
We use past tense to talk about finished actions.
We use words like yesterday, last week, and last year.
Some verbs add ed,
Some verbs change completely.
and that's okay.
Remember, English is not a test.
English is a tool.
Use it to share your life. Use it to share your past. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Speaking Practice.
We are very happy you learned with us today.
Please leave a comment and tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Write in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
If this episode helped you, like it and share it.
Subscribe to Daily English Speaking Practice for daily learning.
We will be back soon with another easy episode.
Until then, keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
Bye-bye. See you next time.